Hello guys, this is Satyajit Baik. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn DS interview questions. Most students ask me, sir, do some DS interview questions. So this video is for you. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn some DS interview questions. That is, the first question is remove duplicate element from list without using any inbuilt type of functions. The inbuilt type of function, which is called also the predefined function, in this case, the set is an inbuilt type function which is used for the remove the duplicate elements inside the list. So without using set, we have to create a custom function or custom logic to remove the duplicate elements. Let's create a custom functions. Let's say my function name is duplicate remove duplicate. Then pass the first argument, which is the list. Inside this, then create a new list, which is our empty list, because we have to append the iterating element over here. Then first we have to iterating the elements for I in list. Then we have to create a condition if I not in new list, which is our empty list. Then we have to append the those iterating element over our new list, which is our empty new list dot append using our append method. Then new list dot append and the iterating element which is our I. Then I will return our new. Now we have to call our function name with our argument remove duplicate which our function name, then argument is list. If you run this, it will print the only unique element inside the list. Okay, and another method is, this is our first method. Let me comment it out. First method. And second method is using the list comparison method. So then let's say new list list comparison method for I in range length of the list. The range of the length of the list, that means the range that which be the from lowest number, that is n, to the highest number, that is our 6. Between this, that will find the length, and that is after the find the length, then it will create then we have to create a condition if uh, list dot index, which is index means the position of the index, then list that I equal to I, which is our iterative element. Then we have to return the list here over I. Then we'll print the new list. So the logic is about the first I have create a range of the length of the list, and that will be iterating to the I. And then if then I create a condition if list dot index, that the index means the position of the each element, each list of index I that equal to I. So that means if there that is present inside this position, then it will only print that the unique element inside the list. Then print the new list, it will give me the output of only unique elements. Okay, so these the two methods is used to duplicate elements from list without using the inbuilt type of function. Okay, in the next session we are going to learn something else. Okay.